Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing this month. This is my first month having Boxycharm since they have gone with Ipsy, so I'm very excited to see if Boxycharm still lives up to the hype. I've always loved Boxycharm. When I was in high school, I would get it myself. But now they're so kind enough to gift it to me, so I will be doing the unboxing and I'll show you guys everything I got this month. The box and packaging is super cute though. I do have to say that to start. So they changed the box. It looks like it'll be much easier to recycle, which I personally love because I hate when there are issues with recycling. But let's just get into all 5 full-size products. First product is a Malin & Goat's Vitamin E Face Moisturizer.
Our lightweight moisturizer synthesizes natural vitamin E, chamomile, and absorbent fatty acids, gently and effectively hydrates, balances, and calms all skin types.
I am very excited for this. I always love a good moisturizer, and when it has vitamin E, that's always a good thing. If you're wondering, I have liner all over my hand. I just don't have anything to wipe it off with right now, so it is what it is. The next product in this box is the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. This is a godsend for my hair. I have a lot of buildup in my hair, but I think that this will be cool to try. I have a few exfoliating scalp treatments, but I'm excited to try this Verb one. I've never used any Verb products before, but I've heard great things, so I'm very excited for that. We have a lip gloss by Sweet Street. It's called a Candy Paint in the shade Comet. Oh, that looks like a beautiful nude, but when I look at it, I don't think of a comet, if that makes sense. I don't think the name matches the description at all, but this gloss looks so sparkly and beautiful. I really think that this would go in my everyday, oh yeah, this will go in my like everyday color rotation. That is a beautiful gloss. I love this. Let me try it on the lips. I know y'all can't see me, but it has a cooling sensation to it. We'll see if it gets burny at all. But it feels nice on the lips. It's not my favorite formula for the lips. Just feeling it. It's a little bit thick for me, but I do still like it and will add it to my rotation. Next we have some Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Gold Eye Masks. I love face masks and eye masks. I have so many in my collection, but these are always good to have, and I honestly thank Boxycharm for sending me these because my under eyes need the TLC. It's been a long week and it's only Tuesday. Last product that we have is an eyeshadow palette, a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette called the Fez palette. If you've watched that 70s show, you know why I just find this name funny. It just is. If I could open this, that'd be great. Oh, that is beautiful. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It has a gold, it has a brown, it has an orange, it has a peach, it has a blue. You kind of got everything going in here. I usually prefer a brighter color story, but I love the idea of combining a blue with an orange. I just think it's gonna look really pretty. That was all the products that I got in the July Boxycharm. Let me know what you think. What products did you get if you have Boxycharm? If you don't have Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate code which I will link down below, and you can, you know, use that if you want. You don't have to. I have no idea if it's a commission or not, but whatever. Again, thank you Ipsy and Boxycharm for sending me this box. I am so excited to use the eyeshadow palette and to try the moisturizer the most. Those are my 2 products that I'm like, yes, I love it. But if you guys haven't seen, I've done an Ipsy unboxing as well. So if you want to see July's Ipsy bag, go check that out as well. I'll link it down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.